You know what's inconsiderate though, that when you come so early.
Got 80. How's it going?
Stickers. Well, I can make you rich.
Yeah.
A ton of Barbies. A lot of them are old. Those I got for a steal. And I got them online right now.
Oh, do you?
Said, what?
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. Yourself?
Not bad.
What do you have on this?
5? Talk to me.
Yeah, I'll do 5.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, I appreciate it, guys. Yeah, best of luck to you today.
Good luck to you as well.
Stay cool. It's a hot one. It's crazy. It's already beating me up. That's too bright. Too crazy.
That's for all of it. All of it. Yep.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, pretty good. 3, 5, what's that? 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
Okay.
Good morning. Are you open yet?
You can come in.
Okay. Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
If you see anything that gets your attention, let us know. Mom, I might.
Give me the chair and I'll sit up there.
Well, I need to go get the sign made real quick. Like at least the blue sign one.
Alright, I'm back.
I'll give you 3 for this.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Jess had went to the sale because they had mentioned video games, but unfortunately at 150 we weren't able to make a play on that.
Are you looking for more boxes?
All right, you guys.
Little Callaway tool here. Empty. That old MacBook. And this was taped to it. This is another Kodak. Oh, that's a classic. The Homedics massager. Oh. That's interesting. At the NCR. Back in the day. Oh, it's cracked.
Did you come in ham? Making friends. Yeah. I don't have any Halloween decoration for my porch for this year.
So it's new $20. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna buy this, but I'm still looking around. Is it
Put it over there.
over here? Gotcha. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Did that lady pay you for the horses? Right?
Yes, I got it right here.
Did you price the horses?
$20 for the whole box.
You know, there's 2 more boxes. There were 3 boxes.
The pasta maker for 20.
Yeah, 20.
So 37.
37? Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
At 45, don't worry about it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning.
Oh, you grabbed it? Thank you. I could use those 2 blue trays too. Yeah. Anything we can put in there. We'll probably have, hopefully we'll make a little more during the day. I should have probably just bought a bag.
What's your trumpet price?
150.
150.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you got it? Made a mess in there, didn't you?
I keep thinking I have pockets, but I don't have pockets.
I'm sorry?
I keep thinking I have pockets, but I don't have pockets. There's
Thank
the-
you so very
Thank you.
much. Thank you.
Good morning. This is not the 4 DVD setup, but this. Look at the...
I don't know. The other piece might be downstairs. If I really want to have to truck them. I might use the phone. If not, you know what I'm thinking? Bring a multi. Hello.
Hi.
In Taiwan.
Pick it up again, and I just never.
Yeah.
Just don't have time.
It's hard to find a time. But you do. You play too, so I'm guessing like between that, it's just multiple hobbies is hard.
I play bass in a 80s cover band here in town. We're probably one of the bigger draws as far as cover bands, and that band keeps me busy. We play like 25 shows a year. So.
That's cool.
But I play bass and keyboard.
So do you play a lot of Rush? Because I saw the Rush.
Oh yeah.
I
can play any of that stuff.
That's awesome.
I've been playing since I was 12 years old, so I'm pretty good. I have so much Rush memorabilia, though it's not even funny, but most of it I'm not a part with.
Nah, I understand.
I've seen them like, I don't know, 25 times or something like that.
Oh, okay.
I grew up in Houston, so every time they come through Texas, I see them in Houston, Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, places you can stop. The only time I didn't go see them was when they played El Paso. That's too far away.
If you're a hardcore fan, then.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I had a piece of memorabilia that I really...
Okay. Who do I talk to?
Turtles?
Turtles, yeah. I'm just curious about what you're asking. Or are they all different, or?
Some of them are different. Most of them are going to be 10, except for this one is 15. This one is 15. 15, 15, 15, and then this one is 25. And I think that one is 25, but the rest are 10.
Okay. Let me...
My husband was like telling me, I'm like,
You're like, I'm not gonna remember all that.
I know.
Let me take a picture and send it to my husband, see if...
And there's these ones over here, just like the vehicles.
Oh, yes, yes. We'll see what my husband says. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Hot.
I know.
I feel like I'm like breathing hard from just existing, you know?
Especially when you get in and out of a car heavy.
Yeah. What are you asking for your camera?
30.
30? Let me see.
I don't know if that book goes with that one because I've already seen it. Or if you want to try to watch
What did you do, 25? Yeah? Okay. So I got game 2. So I owe you 30.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
For my age, that was her thing. She always said. That's the first time I had seen her with the baby. Look how beautiful her hair was. Isn't that the most beautiful thing? Now that's and this is cute. This is what I want to show you. I think, can I feed you?
Money?
Is that sweatshirt?
Yes.
Yeah.
Has a
Can I have the tag?
Yes.
Yeah, because we have different people selling. So I
Sweet.
appreciate it.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna buy these.
Okay, great.
So it's 11.
Okay, 11, perfect.
There you go.
Okay, thanks
Thank
so
you
much.
very much.
Yeah, have a great one.
You too.
What's a movie?
Thank you.
So yeah, honey. Well,
Three, 4, 2015, 16, 17, and I'm at a 12. 6.
is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Thank
All
you.
right. Oh, here, let me just. We're just throwing these
sure,
in a
sure, sure.
basket and splitting. You know. Thank you.
Cam is making money today. See ya. Oh,
I get it.
You're dropping them.
Sometimes I am. Yeah.
Good morning, wherever that came from. I love the sign. Thanks. Oh, you know what? I was here yesterday. Oh, he's heavy.
Oh, he talks.
He talks?
Yeah. Squeeze his hand, maybe.
Oh, battery's probably dead, but what did you?
Shouldn't be. He gets you.
Oh wait, maybe.
He's a little scared.
Oh.
Yeah. You'll just be walking around. There's Pikachu talking to you.
That's funny. What did you want for him?
Whatever. 3. I have his costume too.
He has a costume?
Well, no. Like, I have a Pikachu costume.
Here's $3 for
Thank
that.
you. And if you take that, just put it on the ground and we'll research later.
Okay. Did you do 2 on your Lego City guy? Yeah? There you go. Thank you. Lego City Police.
No, and that's usually all in tap like that.
And it's just always on the mark. Yep. Whenever I've got something. I never price to make money, I just price to make money. That's 45cash.com. 45cash.com. The body's in bad shape, but that lens is just working. So I've got it plugged in. I don't have a keyboard that's going with it.
Okay.
That's one of the reasons I've got it, and I had to remove my.
Turbo Max. Hey, it's Dustin jumping in here for a minute. So I get these light cubes. I'm not 100% sure on the brand. Hopefully by the time the video's out, I put a comp on the screen for you. But at $1, I figured, why not? So there was already a couple people here when I got here, but there was still tons of great stuff left to look over. So pretty awesome. I would normally pick up these jeans for $5, but I can't sell them new when there's a stain like that on there. And then I did find this Oakwood Classics leather jacket here. And if I can get 50, 60 for it, I'm paying $5. I would be really happy with that flip. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. Definitely has Indiana Jones vibes to it. As you can see, I bought the golf clubs. And I do find on the table here, this Fisher-Price Hot Wheels 65 Mustang. Should be about a $20 bill. Paid $1. And the Mac here, it's actually only $35. It's about 10 years old. I'm going to say ballpark worth about $200 in that range. It doesn't have a keyboard. That little drawing tablet deal there, though, should be worth a good 40 to 50 bucks. So that's awesome. And that's just a throw in. So it has the Magic Mouse. It does not have the Bluetooth keyboard. I have a spare wired Mac keyboard I could probably pair with this.
Hey, how about $1? Well, $1 for the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
That's just cool.
Oh, cool.
Get rid of your whole Coach collection?
Yeah. Yeah, it gets mage on you.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Labels aren't a
Good,
big
mate.
deal anymore.
Here, take these.
Gotcha.
Where are we at?
What was that?
I said, you get some age on you and labels aren't that
Yeah.
big a deal anymore.
Yeah, I'm sorry. The lock.
Thanks, bud.
They got a pub for sale.
No, you don't sell that one. That's
I
fine.
got 2 Dobsons. It's all right.
Yeah.
Real good.
They're probably a handful too.
Big right. Have a good day.
All right, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
That's a burrito bag.
What's that? Oh, I was like,
Burritos there.
I'm speaking. Oh, am I gonna put burritos in this?
I got that Whopper.
I mean, I guess any bag that fits a burrito.
Well, that's a good bag.
It's a burrito bag.
I got something. I dropped an hour to get here. Man, I knew this, but you know what's inconsiderate though? I always think that when you come so early, I just can't get, and I'm old school, I'm 69, so when somebody, I just can't, I just don't like that. I think it's kind of not a good
I
thing.
mean, technically officially open.
I'll take the bag as well.
All right, I think I bought enough of your stuff. I just wanted to make sure there was anything else really cool that I missed. I got 3, 5. Good. No.
Yep.
Okay. And then you had 2 on this.
Yep.
7, 8, 9.
That's great.
Yeah, it's awesome. 14.
Okay.
And then got 80.
Well, you sold your bike, so that's 75.
Yeah.
So then rack with it. I think it's $1 for both.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I didn't have a sticker on this, did I?
No.
No, I just did them.
All right. There you go.
Gotcha.
Yeah, thanks again.
You bet.
First in. So there's a little bit of background, I guess, on the story of like the guy being upset or whatever at the sale. Everything you see in today's video was over the course of a weekend, 2 days specifically. Not everything's in perfect order or anything. Usually it is, but this time it wasn't. This was the last sale of that 2-day period. I pivoted, and the day that I went to this sale, things weren't going really well, so I decided just to like go way out of my way and check out this sale and see how it would be. So, you know, I got there like 14 minutes early. There'd already been 2 other people that started to build up a pile or whatever. But, you know, I wasn't acting frantic or anything because, like, at the end of the day, we have a lot of inventory right now. So I'm really just looking for good stuff to add to that. I go look around and such. Like 4 minutes later, the individual that was upset in the video here shows up. So he was 10 minutes early to the sale. So I don't know. I don't really have any beef with him. In fact, what he was saying, I don't even think was necessarily directed towards me. There was some particular item, I think it might have been a camera or something that somebody else got that he wanted. And with that being the case, I think he was upset that that person had gotten there earlier than him. But he was still a technical early bird himself. And he had said something about trying to text the person that ran the sale. I don't know if that means like he tried to Facebook message him or something the night before, which is another kind of a similar tactic in the vein of early birding. And I don't have anything personally against early birding and doing a light amount of it myself. I know that's going to be a controversial topic down in the comments because, yeah, it just is. What's really cool about this sale is it ended up being roughly $1,000 in total gross value. So of course we're not going to make that once we get it up on eBay and everything, between fees, shipping, possible returns, all the other myriad of expenses, and then of course whatever profit we do make we have to pay taxes on, but should be pretty solid, especially with what we paid for everything. So super happy with that. On to the recap. Hey guys, Dustin and Jessica here. So we went out garage sailing, and I actually only ended up getting out at one garage sale today. So she was coming back from a small neighborhood sale, and it just made sense for her to go to the sale that I was going to, so I reversed course. And this is a Body by Jake hip and thigh sculptor, and you wouldn't think of anything of it I paid $2. Of course, it does break down some, so we should be able to ship it. 300 bucks probably all day long. You saw the Acuity golf club set there. So Acuity's not necessarily like a brand I chase after, but this is in excellent condition. I did look up comps, and we're looking around $200 on that whole set. So 25 was pretty decent. Oh, that end. I remember chucking it. I did like 3 trips. I got a couple of tool bike related things. Then we got an iMac. I believe this one's a 2017. It doesn't have the keyboard, as he said batteries blew up and corrosive issues, but I'm guessing we should be able to get about 200 for it. This is a genuine leather jacket here by Oakwood Classic. It's a medium. It seems kind of nice for $5. It's kind of got Indiana Jones vibes.
Yeah.
And then we've got some kind of like lens flash cube light thing.
Okay. Oh, goody.
This was $1.
Nice.
2. Another one cost some sort of money.
And that one.
This one has a little more wear than I would have liked, but it was $2.
I bought 2 Fossil watches and a band, which I don't know.
Okay.
Some cheap video games, 3, 4, 2015, 2016, 2017.
You can lock those up.
And that's why I got them. And then Madden 12, because I didn't remember if it was worth anything. If it's not, it's whatever. It's $1. Little Lego set.
Okay.
The police. I don't know if he's supposed to do other things.
I don't think he's supposed to just repeat that forever.
I mean, it needs a little... He's cute. I picked him up and I was like, why is he so heavy? And then I got...
I wonder what he's going to say next.
Yeah, my last...
Oh, yeah, the trainer.
I got the assist trainer.
Yeah.
I got a Big Bertha driver, whatever this is, an Odyssey putter, and a Nike wood.
Cool.
That's it. That was my day.
Hey guys, Dustin and Jessica here. We went out, hit some garage sales today. It's super hot out for Ohio. I know some of you in the South are probably like, that's only 92. That's winter. But for us, so all these DVDs and stuff here and Blu-rays were $1 a piece. But got some other music related ones. Apparently somebody else got there before me, which this was not my first sale. And got a lot of the music related stuff. Most of these are going to be for the personal, but we got Clockwork Orange, the X-Files movie, the first of the 2 X-Files movies, The Fifth Element, which is one of my favorite movies. I know it's not everybody's favorite Batman movie, but like my mom took me to go see it when I was younger, and I have like vivid memories of it. I thought it was super cool back then.
Aww.
So it's more of a nostalgia play. So for $1, I gotta own it. We watched it once. And then the Austin Powers collection. We've got a cologne here. Bahar.
Okay.
That's how it's pronounced. Bahar. Somebody's gonna get mad. Just Dance 4. Warzone. Rock Band 3. Siphon Filter, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, Need for Speed Undercover, and Need for Speed Pro Street. I was like, you guys, you know, because they were asking if I was into or whatever. And this got cut off because my camera battery died. And I didn't bring any spares, which is very unusual. But I got, for $40, the bag.
Well, that's weird.
This Silver Ray Cook putter.
That's neat.
And then we got a pin. This is what a TST? I don't understand. I don't know on this one. But it's a pin. It's a 6-iron. We've got good old Nike. Huh?
IST.
Oh, well.
Whatever.
We'll go with it. We got the SQ Dymo 2 Nike driver. We just talked. I got this Titleist AccuFlow iron, little rust on it, so I mean that's gonna hit it. But got the Titleist bag. It has one imperfection that I didn't notice till I had already bought it. And this is just the life of being a reseller. I don't know what the heck this is.
Just a tear.
Oh, we're good.
Oh.
It's just like debris.
Piece of fuzz.
Yeah. We got a blanket there with NFL teams on it. Getting that brand new Emerald Lagasse deal there. And I don't think I can reach that stuff easily with the railing being literal lava.
Lava. Work smarter, not harder, people.
That's why I get paid the big bucks.
Totally.
Cut this off, thankfully. So these little point shoot cameras can be pretty good, except for the fact that I don't know where this camera went. Oh, it's right here. It's still got its tag. I mean, that doesn't mean it's new, but still, it's a camera. We got a 3M tape dispenser, which I grabbed purely because it's brand new. I don't know what it sells for. And then we got another camera here, Kodak again. So got a Homedics massager here, a Callaway club. I have no clue on what's going on with that guy.
Oof.
But oh, my shoulder. I have no clue, but that's what it looks like.
Wow.
We've got a Discman, which I pick up when they're cheap. $40 probably on this Tora with commentary. And then of course the Emerald Lagasse deal. And I think that's my day. Unless I missed anything. There was a hat. I don't know where it went though.
Fancy.
National champions for Michigan, 1997. Leather hat. I'm hoping we get like 40. Made in the US. Maybe we'll get a little more. I don't know. You had some
I bought
stuff.
so much stuff today.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, you're gonna be so impressed.
Get it. Oh, okay. Johnny Bench.
I bought Johnny Bench.
Yeah.
We've sold him before. I don't know if he's probably gone down in value since then, but this Nike hoodie.
Okay.
It's a nice condition.
It is.
Dollar Cleveland wedge. Looks a little weird, but it is a wedge. Rock Band Country Track Pack 2.
That's a good one.
Yep. And then this camera, which is probably...
What brand?
It's a... Hold on.
Oh. Nikon.
It's a Nikon EM, which I believe is like 60 bucks-ish.
Cool.
That is it. That's my day.
Okay. I mean, it is what it is. We're gonna wrap it up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Really would appreciate that. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.